Hi, this is a deluxe looper demo from Donner. This is a looper pedal that I bought last December 2022 from Shopee. Salamat Shopee. So, yeah, we will start from the buttons here. So as you can see, it has two buttons. The looper and the effects button. We also have three knobs. It's for level left and level right. We also have the speed knob. We have a switch here that say change, forward, and reverse. We also have two switch here for stop and effects. As you can see, we have the mono and stereo input. So basically, if you're going to choose mono, you will have the mono option. If you're going to select the stereo, that's when you can adjust the level for your left and right knobs. Excuse me. Anyway, we will start from recording a loop. So once you press this button, it will turn red, indicating that you're on recording mode. So every time you're going to record something, you need to press this on time. When you strum something, you need to press this on time, and you also need to press this when you end your strumming. You also need to press this on time. So what I'm trying to say here is that because if there's like a small gap on pressing this one, your loop will have a what do you call this one? A small time gap. So, and we don't want that to happen when we are recording a loop because, we want it to play along with it, setting it as a backing track. Anyway, for my case, I can't press this one on time since I'm not using my feet. So there's like, if I'm going to use my hands, there's going to be like a second or a millisecond delay. Anyway, I'll start on recording a loop. So I'll press this one, start with my chords. As you can see, there's like a gap on our loop since I did not press the loop button on time and I did not, press it on time. Anyway, if it's a green light, it indicates playback. So once you're done recording something and you press the loop button again or the looper button again, it will indicate a green light stating that it's on playback. On this case, it stopped because I pressed the stop button. You can actually, select a switch here from effects to stop. So the switch is on stop button, so this one will serve as a stop button and not an effects button. Not unless if I'm going to, switch it down. Anyway, I'll play it back again. So playing it back, I need to press the loop button. And if I want to stop, I press the right button. Play. Stop. Okay. Now, if I'm going to overlay something on my recorded loop, I just need to press the play button and press it again. It will change. The light will change into red, indicating that I'm ready for overlaying another recording. So let's try that one. Press the play button. Press it again. It will turn into red, allowing me to record an overlay. Oh, shoot. Wait, let's wait. Play it back. Stop it. So the switch is in the stop button, so I can use this as a stop button. Now let's try the effects button. So what are we going to do is that we will select the effects button and play back the loop. As you can see, the effects button mirrors your adjustment here for the speed. So see, there's like normal, fast, and slow. So if I'm going to select the slow, or if I'm going to dial the slow option and switch on effects and playback, see, if you notice, the song becomes slow. And if I'm going to turn off the effects, it will go back to the normal speed and tone. Select the effects button again. You can also dial the options here, even if the effects button is still on. No need to turn it off. So let's select fast. Let's try to select the fast option. So if you're going to select, see, turn on the effects, turn off the effects. Go back to stop. So that's it. You can also try to tweak the reverse button. So this one goes with the effects button too. So select effects. Let's put it on slow, and under the reverse option, let's try to listen to it. Oops. So as you can hear it, it's on slow plus it's on reverse. So now I'm using the stop switch. So this one is already a stop button. So you can choose from stop and effects, just toggle the switch. So I think that's it. So I hope you're able to learn something from this video. Anyway, have a great day and have fun with your pedals. Thank you.